Welcome to OSG's 60-second troubleshooting video. The milling process is an interrupted cutting operation where each tooth enters and exits the material each revolution. This method of machining brings with it a unique type of wear. All wear begins at the point the tool enters material as the chip created abrades the cutting edge of the tool. Over time, this repeated abrasion against the cutting edge will wear it down, resulting in an even line between the worn and unworn portion of the tool. We refer to this as flank wear, a normal pattern of wear in any milling operation. However, flank wear may be excessive or appear unexpectedly early in an operation, often suggesting difficulties in the application. Usually a simple change will improve this, reduce the spindle speed and the material cut per tooth, which will reduce heat and improve the life before an end mill is completely worn. Another typical option is reducing the depth of cut into the material, effectively limiting the size of the chip. Crater wear often appears in circumstances where flank wear is excessive. A specific type of wear, crater wear, appears due to extreme force from the cutting chip or due to extreme heat in the operation. In this case, a divot or crater forms where those chips impact the tool. As with flank wear, the solution is similar: reduce spindle speed and feed per tooth and, if possible, decrease the radial depth of cut. By controlling wear, you can make your process more predictable and more productive simultaneously. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit www.osgtool.com.